A choice for tactical drone victory. PapyDrone-2700. A modern warfare game-changer, capable of strike, transport, and open-fire target practice. Drones are now essential on the battlefield. PapyDrone-2700 is a military tactical UAV solution offering low observability, low cost, rapid field assembly, and color customization options. Built with paper-based composite for covert and stable mission operations. Features a simple structure that enables rapid assembly and quick operational deployment. A single platform enabling strike, transport mission, and open-fire target practice. High payload and long-range capacity, enabling decisive strike missions. With a 3-kilogram payload, long-range capability, and high speed, enabling successful emergency delivery missions. 2,700mm wingspan, built for counter-drone training. Optional waterproof coating ensures stable operation in rain, wind, and maritime environments, changing the battlefield with a single sheet of paper. The Peach, PapyDrone-2700.